Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to whistle. Like this. Okay, so first you're gonna shape your mouth into an O shape like this, right? Your upper lips are slightly like in front of the in front of the lower lips and slightly like above them in a way, right? And you want to basically blow, but not in a way where you just blow like as hard as possible. You also have to blow sort of on like the from the upper side of your mouth uh downwards, basically on your lower lips, basically, and it should make the sound. However, it's gonna take some time because it's a muscle memory thingy. All right, you just have to fail over and over again till you get it. Don't get discouraged when you can't get it. Also, if you're out of breath, take a break, because then you're less likely to, because if you're gonna be trying really hard, you're probably gonna get frustrated and you're gonna get quit and you're not gonna learn it. So take your time, maybe have fun while learning it, maybe watch some videos or listen to some songs while trying to learn it, so it's more fun. And yeah,